Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Libby Rogers and I'm a beauty YouTuber here on YouTube. And today's video is so exciting because I'm going to be talking about the products that I cannot live without right now. I feel like all of these products are super essential in my everyday life. That's super dramatic, but these are just the products that have just been giving it to me lately. Like, they're so good. I promise you, you guys are gonna love these products and you're gonna want them after this video. So I'll make sure to link them all down below. You can just click on the link and go straight to the product and purchase it if you'd like, if you have Amazon Prime, because Amazon Prime is just the best. So if you guys want to see what my current favorite products are, products that you're gonna want as well, then just go ahead and keep watching. Let's talk about a few things that you probably knew that you were going to see in this video. So let's go ahead and get those out of the way. So the first thing that I want to talk about, product that I cannot stop wearing, is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. I did a full wear test and review on this foundation. Spoiler alert, I loved it. But if you guys want to see how that weared, what I thought about it on initial impression, you know, what the price is and everything, then I'll make sure to leave that video up in the eye for you guys. But this is such a good product. It is definitely not a full coverage stick foundation. It is more of a medium coverage, but it's so beautiful on the skin. It lasts so well on my skin as well. And I have oily skin, so that's saying something awesome if it's lasting on my skin. This is just such a good product, so inexpensive, and works just as well as high-end foundations. Something that I absolutely love, adore, and cannot live without now. So good product. I wear mine in the shade Shell Ivory if you are curious. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is the current highlight that I cannot stop wearing. I don't know if I should even be talking about this because I know that it is limited edition and you can't really get it anywhere anymore, but I'm going to talk about it anyway because I think most of you have it. I don't know if I'm supposed to be talking about it, but I'm going to talk about it anyway. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Emrezy highlighter. This is the most stunning highlight ever. I love it so much. It is a little dark for me, but I can still kind of get away with it, so I still wear it pretty often, but it is such a beautiful golden highlight. This is definitely more of an intense highlight, so I don't wear it on an everyday basis, but it is such a beautiful, I feel like I'm blinding you guys and I'm just like moving it around like this, but anyway, it's just such a beautiful golden highlight. Let me see if I can swatch it for you guys. Oh yeah, you can definitely see just how beautiful that is. Anyway, it is such a good product. If you guys can still find this, please purchase it. It is so good, so worth the money. Such a good product. The next thing that I want to talk about is actually something I'm wearing right now. It is the lashes that I'm wearing. These are from Ardell. These are the Double Up Double Wispy lashes, and they are so beautiful. I cannot get enough of these. They are very inexpensive. I think less than $5 for a pair of them, and I've worn these so many times already, and they just are so beautiful, so dramatic, but still so wispy, just like the name says. But such good lashes. You don't have to spend a lot of money on lashes to get good quality. These are so good, and I love them. I love them so much. The next product the next product that I want to talk about is the Anastasia Sultry palette. I actually keep mine in the slip so that it doesn't get messed up because I just love it that much. You can already see how much I've used it because the packaging is like really gross. Anyway, I love this palette. On an everyday basis, I'll really go in with these matte shades and just, you know, do a little something on my eyes. It is so good. These metallics are incredible. When I do bridal makeup, this is pretty much the only palette I use on everyone because it has an array of warm tones, an array of cool tones, and it's just such a good palette. Performs so well, and it's just so good. So good. So worth the money. The next thing I want to talk about is a brush, and this is the Morphe M501. This is the best highlighting brush of all time. It just really hugs the cheekbone, blends it out so seamlessly. It's what I used to put on my highlighter today. By the way, this look is coming in a future tutorial, just letting you know. This one's just going up first, but it will be probably the next video of the week, the next video or the video after that. So just be on the lookout for that. This is the best highlighting brush of all time. It's so good. There's nothing else really to say about it. It's affordable, it's good, and it just applies highlight perfectly. And then the next thing I want to talk about is the MAC Hyper Real Glow highlighting palette. I have it in the pink version, which I believe is called Flash and Awe. This is, you can tell how much I use these products because they just look so dirty. I use this all the time. I usually mix the first two shades right here, and I'll just go to town, and that's what I'm wearing today on my face. It's so beautiful. There's nothing really much else to say about it. It's just so good. It just looks so beautiful on the skin. I love it so much. So when I tell you I have nine lip products to talk about, I do. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that you're about to hear about 9 lip products, but you need them all. They're so good. They're so good. Okay, so let me go ahead and first talk about the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine Lipstick in the shade Glossy Fawn. My friend Allie Glines got me onto this. I can't stop wearing it. It's so beautiful. It's the perfect lipstick for every day. I wore it in my everyday makeup routine video that just went up not too long ago. Look at this color, and it's got a beautiful sheen to it. The packaging, honestly, is so beautiful. Like, please, look at this packaging. It's so beautiful. I can't. This is such a good lipstick. It wears on the lips super beautifully, and as it wears off, it just wears off beautifully. It's such a good lip product, and it's from the drugstore. Another drugstore lip product that I have just been loving is the Milani Keep It Real, Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper Gloss. So the reason I picked this up is because my favorite gloss basically of all time is the L'Oreal Camila Cabello gloss. It's in like it's got like the flower top. It's like pinky with some shimmer in it. It is so beautiful. It smells amazing. I love it so much, and I ran out of it, and it was a limited edition, so I can't really find it anywhere unless I purchase it on Amazon. Anyway, I wanted to find something that was going to give me the same effect, and this is a different color, but it's still really beautiful. So this is the shade Natural Luster, and it has a big wand like that one does, the L'Oreal one does, and it smells like vanilla, but also smells like mint. And so it's really good. It doesn't quite have the same effect on me smell-wise as the other one does, but it's still a really good gloss, and I wear it pretty much every day on top of the L'Oreal lipstick. So this is a really good combo. This is just a really good gloss, and it lasts really well on the lips. Okay, let's talk about Glossier for a second, because I've never actually tried anything from them, and I have always wanted to try out some of their products. More recently, Allie Glines and Kathleen Lights have talked about the balm.coms from Glossier, and I picked up 3. They've talked about the mango one more recently, but when I saw the flavor coconut and the flavor birthday cake, or is it just birthday? I don't know. Anyway, these are basically universal skin salves, so they can work on your cuticles, on your skin, on your lips, and I've been wearing these mostly for my lips. So I have one that goes in my purse, which is the mango one. This is the one that they talked about, which is the one that made me want to get them. This literally smells like mango juice. Like, I don't even know how they did it, but it's so good. It's so good. This is the best chapstick that I've ever used. I can put this on when I go to bed at night and I wake up and my lips are still moisturized. It is incredible. So this is the one that goes in my purse. The one that I have by my bed is the coconut balm.com, and then this one is just kind of on my makeup desk. Okay. This one is just on my makeup desk for when I need it while I'm filming or just while I'm doing my makeup. It just sits here. Anyway, you need them. They're so good. I can't even tell you. Thank you, Allie Glines. Thank you, Kathleen Lights, for putting me onto these. They are so good. The last product that I have from Glossier is I finally picked up their lip gloss, which is just their clear gloss. You will never have juicier lips than when you wear this. It's so good. I'm gonna put it on top of this so I can show you. So I have a gloss right now on top. Actually, I have 2 glosses on my lips right now, and you can't really tell that they're glossy. Wait. There we go. That's a glossy lip. That's a glossy lip. So this is just like, honestly, it's quite sticky, but it is amazing. It lasts so well on the lips and just keeps my lips hydrated and looking super glossy all day. So if you guys are wanting a good gloss that lasts really long, this is a super good one. The last glosses I'm going to talk about, I promise we're almost done. We're almost done, but I wanted to save the best for last because I don't know why I've never talked about these on my channel. I've had these for forever. This is my 3rd restock of these products. These are the Persona Cosmetics Season 1 lip glosses. So let me pull them out because I just got my restock in and I haven't even taken them out of the packaging yet. First of all, the little packaging is so cute. I love it. These are her Season 1 glosses. There's peach, honey, and toffee. So these are so good. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. So the one that I use the most is honey, which is this middle one. It's like a mid-toned brown, but these are all so beautiful. These are the best glosses. They give you the best of everything. So they give you a really good shine for a long time. They aren't sticky, but they last really well on the lips, and they have the perfect amount of pigmentation. So beautiful. They have a little bit of shimmer in them, but not too intense. The peach and toffee have more shimmer than the honey, but they're also beautiful. You don't feel the grittiness on your lips or anything. These are so good, and I actually ordered a couple of their new shades. They came out with some new glosses, coral and pink, and then a new liquid lipstick. So I picked up the new liquid lipstick Phoenix and the new pink gloss as well, and I know I'm gonna love those, but I haven't been trying those out, so I didn't want to put those in this video. But these are great glosses. I say I wear all of these every single day, but I honestly do. Like, I'll put one on in the morning, a little bit later in the day I'll put another one on. Like, they're just so good. They're so good. They last you forever, so if you guys are wanting some new glosses, these are really good from Persona Cosmetics. Okay, that is it for the makeup products. I only have a few more products to talk about, and the first one I'm going to talk about is this Batiste dry shampoo, but I have it in the scent Clean and Light Bare. I think this is my new favorite scent. It's just so good. I feel like it cleans my hair better than the other ones. This one just soaks up my oil so well. It's so good. I actually got this in a pack of 3 at Walmart, and it was a lot cheaper than getting them individually. And this is like a mid-sized bottle. They have a smaller one, they have a really big one, and this is like a medium-sized one, and I got a set of 3. So this is such a good dry shampoo. If you guys are looking for a good dry shampoo, this is the best one. I know that in the other, okay, I don't know if you guys watch Brad Mondo, but he's a hairstylist, and he went to the drugstore and picked up some dry shampoos and some other products, and he tried Batiste and he didn't like it. I don't get it. So I know that I'm guessing he doesn't like when it shows a white cast, but like I just rub mine in. I don't have any texture issues with this one, and also when it blends in, it blends out perfectly, and it just is the best. Soaks up my oils better than any other dry shampoo, and I've tried so many of them, like so many, and this is the best one. So I don't know if he got a bad bottle or something, but it's so good. I love it. Okay, last 2 products, and they are both perfumes. I've never talked about perfumes on my channel before, honestly, because before these perfumes, I used only body splashes. I've always wanted to purchase a perfume, but I have not because they're just a little expensive, and I honestly didn't see the point in it. But more recently, I've always been like, I want a perfume just to be able to wear that'll last on my skin all day. So for my birthday, my sister actually decided to say, hey, go pick out a perfume and I'll buy it for you for your birthday. So I love you, Lainey. I love you. So for my birthday, I picked up the Jimmy Choo, what's the name of it? I don't know what the name of it is. Hold on. Okay, I don't know if this is the scent. This is my box. Leo? Hello, can you focus? It's like Leo. I'm the worst at pronouncing things. So yeah, this was super expensive. I think it was around $100, but it is amazing. I don't know the notes of it, but it's more of a sweet, fresh with a little bit of like a more sharp scent, if that makes sense. It's so good. I love it. I wear it every single day, just like a couple spritzes because it's super intense, but it's such a good perfume. The bottle is beautiful. And then I just more recently picked up the perfume of the body splash that I always wear, which is my favorite scent from Victoria's Secret. It is the Crush scent. Okay, so let me tell you guys a story. When I was younger, I had this perfume from Aeropostale work through it with me, and it was like my favorite scent of all time. I loved it so much, and I still to this day, like, it's like the most wonderful scent. I love it so much. It's almost, I'm like really into those scents that are like fresher, but they almost smell a little bit like cologne, and that's how that one was. And when I smelled Crush for the first time about a year ago, I was like, this one smells like it. Not exactly like it, but it's very reminiscent of it. So I have body splashes in my car, in my room, everywhere because I love it so much, but it lasts like an hour on my skin. So I just have to keep reapplying it, and it just got really expensive and it wasn't working. So my mom picked up the actual perfume of it, and so this is what the bottle looks like. It's so cute, and it's really nice because it's got a little screw up, so when you screw it up then you can spray it, but then when you screw it back down you can just lock it and it won't spray anything out. It's such a good perfume. If you guys ever see it in stores, smell it. It's so good. I know I said those were the last 2 products, but actually I have one more that I almost forgot about, so let me get it. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, I talked about this a while back on my stories. This is the most convenient thing in the world. So I'm not going to show you it too close because my hair's on it and I don't want to gross you guys out. So this is a hairbrush blow dryer. So basically you turn it on, you just brush your hair out in sections. I do mine in like 3 sections. This blow dries my hair in like 20 minutes. And blow drying is I don't like to section off my hair, so I just like do it really quickly and it just gets tangly and messy. That's just me being lazy, but this is such a good product. Every single time I get out of the shower, I do my hair with this. It's so good. This is my hair done with just this. I haven't even straightened my hair. It's so good. This is the best product in the entire world. But I didn't bring it with me into my shower. A good product to use in conjunction with that is the Garnier Sleek Shot. It's around $4 at the drugstore. You can find it at Walmart, Target, blah, blah. Anyway, you put this in your hair. You put it in your hair when you use your shampoo. You put half shampoo, half the Sleek Shot. And it's supposed to create less frizzy, shiny hair with just a blow dryer. And so when I get out of the shower and I blow dry my hair, that in conjunction with the Sleek Shot honestly gives me perfect hair. I never really have to straighten it after this. It just gives me so much volume. It's so good. That combo is amazing. I talked really fast. When I get really excited, I talk really fast. Okay, I think that is it for this video. If you guys have any products that you just love that you cannot live without and you think I should try it, definitely leave them down below. But if you guys are wanting any of these products, like I said, I will leave them in the links down below. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And once you have subscribed, please make sure to turn on the little bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.